Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Life School. Today we are going to discuss how to build powerful habits that stick. So, let's begin. Ever feel like you start strong on a new habit, only to watch it fade away within a week? You're not lazy, you're not broken. You just haven't learned how to build habits the right way. But today, that changes. The problem isn't you, it's the system. Most people try to rely on motivation, but motivation fades. Powerful habits stick when you build them with intention, identity, and design. Let's break it down. Want to begin exercising? Don't shoot for an hour at the gym. Begin with 5 push-ups. Want to read more? Begin with 1 page. The key is momentum. A habit too small to fail instills confidence, and confidence creates consistency. This is referred to as habit stacking. Wish to journal every day? Do it immediately after brushing your teeth. Wish to stretch? Do it after having your morning coffee. If a habit piggybacks on something you already do, it feels nearly automatic. If your phone's on your nightstand, you'll scroll. If a book's there instead, you'll read. Your environment is always shaping your behavior. Make sure it's working for you, not against you. Your brain craves rewards, so give yourself one. Track your progress. Use a habit tracker. Celebrate the win, no matter how small, because when a habit feels good, you'll want to do it again. Here's the game changer. Don't focus on the goal. Focus on who you're becoming. Instead of saying, I want to run a marathon, say, I'm the kind of person who doesn't miss a workout. Your habits shape your identity, and your identity reinforces your habits. Creating strong habits isn't a matter of willpower. It's a matter of design. Begin small. Attach it to what you already do. Design your environment. Make it rewarding. And most importantly, become the person who embodies that habit every day. Which habit are you going to create first? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more tips on dominating your mind and habits.